World War II, a conflict so vast and devastating that it reshaped the world. Imagine entire cities reduced to rubble, millions of lives lost, and a continent forever changed. From the ruins of war emerged a new Europe, forever altered by the battles, the suffering, and the hope for a better future. In this video, we dive deep into the profound impact of World War II on European countries, exploring the economic, political, social, and cultural changes that continue to shape the continent today. To understand the impact of World War II on Europe, we must first understand the conditions that led to it. The Treaty of Versailles, signed at the end of World War I, imposed heavy reparations on Germany, leading to economic turmoil and political instability. The rise of Adolf Hitler and the Nazi Party, fueled by promises of national revival and revenge, set the stage for a new and even more devastating conflict. On September 1, 1939, Germany invaded Poland, triggering a chain reaction of alliances and declarations of war. Europe was plunged into chaos as countries mobilized their armies and prepared for conflict. The blitzkrieg tactics used by Germany led to rapid conquests, leaving much of Europe under Nazi control by mid-1940. Did you know? The term blitzkrieg, meaning lightning war, described the fast and forceful style of attack employed by the Germans, combining airstrikes, artillery, and ground forces to overwhelm the enemy quickly. The human cost of World War II in Europe was staggering. Millions of soldiers and civilians lost their lives. The Holocaust, orchestrated by the Nazis, led to the systematic genocide of 6 million Jews, alongside millions of other minorities. Cities across Europe were reduced to rubble, and entire communities were displaced. The Holocaust remains one of the darkest chapters in human history, a sobering reminder of the depths of human cruelty and the importance of remembering and learning from our past. World War II left the European economy in ruins. Industrial infrastructure was destroyed, agriculture was disrupted, and many countries faced severe shortages of food and essential goods. The Marshall Plan, initiated by the United States, provided crucial aid to rebuild European economies and prevent the spread of communism. Imagine trying to rebuild an entire continent while dealing with food rationing and scarcity. It's like trying to bake a cake with only half the ingredients and no oven. Politically, Europe underwent significant changes. The war saw the fall of fascist regimes in Germany, Italy, and Spain. New democratic governments emerged, while the Soviet Union expanded its influence, leading to the division of Europe into East and West. This set the stage for the Cold War, a period of intense rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union. Did you know? The Berlin Wall, a symbol of the Cold War, wasn't built until 1961, nearly 16 years after the end of World War II. It divided East and West Berlin until its fall in 1989. The social fabric of Europe was forever changed by the war. Women, who had taken on crucial roles in the workforce during the conflict, began to demand greater rights and equality. The horrors of the war also led to a renewed emphasis on human rights, culminating in the establishment of the United Nations and the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The war taught us that the fight for justice and equality is ongoing. The foundations laid in the post-war period continue to influence social movements today. World War II was a catalyst for technological advancements. Radar, jet engines, and the development of nuclear technology were all accelerated by the war. These innovations not only shaped the outcome of the conflict, but also paved the way for future scientific and technological progress. Did you know? The development of the jet engine was significantly advanced during World War II, leading to the creation of the first operational jet-powered fighter aircraft, the German Messerschmitt Me 262. In the aftermath of World War II, European countries faced the daunting task of reconstruction. The European Coal and Steel Community, the precursor to the European Union, was established to foster economic cooperation and prevent future conflicts. This spirit of unity and collaboration eventually led to the creation of the European Union, transforming Europe into a cohesive political and economic entity. Building a united Europe was no small feat. Imagine getting all your neighbors to agree on the best pizza toppings, and then scaling that up to an entire continent. The legacy of World War II is evident in the numerous memorials, museums, and annual commemorations across Europe. These serve as reminders of the sacrifices made and the lessons learned. Countries continue to honor the memory of those who fought and died, ensuring that future generations understand the importance of peace and the cost of war. As we remember the past, it's crucial to recognize that the struggle for peace and justice is ongoing. The lessons of World War II remind us of the resilience of the human spirit and the need to work together to build a better future. World War II left an indelible mark on Europe. The continent was reshaped economically, politically, socially, and culturally. From the ruins of war emerged a new Europe, one committed to unity, cooperation, and the prevention of future conflicts. As we reflect on this turbulent period, let us honor the memories of those who endured it and strive to create a world where such devastation never happens again. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the impact of World War II on European countries. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more historical explorations. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.